welcome to this team bowling competition. The racers will launch off and try to knock down as many pins as possible in 2 turns. The cars are split into 3 teams, which are the Magic Team, the Superhero Team, and the Cars Team.
Hold on, I have to be on the same team as the Joker?
Yep.
Oh, how can I beat Batman when we're on the same team?
To help us judge, we have Woody. So let's get ready to race.
Up first is the Magic Team with Thanos.
Go!
Oh, I thought Thanos would be good at this. Yeah, he does like to destroy things. Oh, hold on. Thanos knocked all the pins down. That means he scores 10 points.
Next, it's Wizard Funling.
Go!
Wizard Funling, did you use your magic to knock down the pins? No. Okay, so Wizard Funling also gets 10 points.
Queen Elsa now.
Go!
There's a snake in my boot. Huh? Ah, Queen Elsa also scores 10 points.
Last for the Magic Team, it's Maleficent.
Go!
Wow, that's 10 points too. So the Magic Team have scored maximum points.
Hold on a second, they've been cheating.
Yeah, their scores shouldn't count.
It did look like they were cheating.
But it would be harsh to disqualify them.
Let's do the competition again, but no cheating this time.
Up first is the Joker for the Superhero Team.
Go!
Oh dear, that's only 1 pin knocked down. Second go.
Go!
Ah, that's much better. That's 8 pins knocked down. Batman next.
What score do I need to get to beat the Joker?
Well, 9 pins, but you are on the same team.
Go!
That's 3 pins knocked down.
Go!
That's another 3 pins knocked down, so Batman finishes on 6 points.
Whoa, the Joker beat me.
Now it's Captain America.
Go!
3 pins knocked down. Second attempt.
Go!
Much better. That's 8 pins knocked down. Finally, it's Spider-Man.
Go!
Alright, bowl, 4 pins.
Go!
That's 3 more, so a total of 7 pins knocked down. This means the Superhero Team finished with 29 pins knocked down. The Cars Team now with Lightning McQueen.
Go!
Good start, that's 7 points.
Go!
Oh, McQueen has missed the pins, so finishes on 7. Cruz next.
Go!
Fast bowl, which has knocked down 6 pins.
Go!
Oh no, Cruz has also missed the second bowl, so finishes with 6 points. Jackson Storm now.
Go!
Only 4 pins knocked down.
Go!
Wow, great bowl! That's all 10 pins knocked down. Last for the Cars Team is Francesco.
Go!
That's an amazing bowl! 9 pins knocked down. Let's see it again. Francesco turned, knocking more pins down.
Go!
Oh, close, but couldn't hit the last pin. But that does mean the Cars team overtake the superhero team by scoring 32 points. Can the Magic team do better with Thanos first?
Go!
Good start, 8 pins.
Go!
Yes, Thanos knocks all the pins over, so scores 10 points. Next to race is Wizard Funling.
Go!
Not bad, 5 pins.
Go!
That's 3 more, so scores 8 points. Queen Elsa now.
Go!
Not the best, it's 4 pins knocked down.
Go!
Oh no, Queen Elsa has missed the pins altogether. So finishes on 4 points. Finally, it's Maleficent. 8 pins to beat the superhero team, 10 to draw with the Cars team.
Go!
That's 8 points, but can she knock the last 2 pins over?
Go!
Oh, not quite. The Magic team finishes on 30 points, coming second.
So that means the Cars team are the winners! Thanks everyone for racing, and thank you for watching!